Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management. Now tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and hit Theme. In order to apply one of them, just tap on the best one for you. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into Play Store instead and install Gboard from Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now choose Enable in Settings. Tap on this switcher next to Gboard and select OK in Attention pop-up. Following that, you need to tap on Select Input Method and pick Gboard from the list. Now hit Done and close Gboard app. Then go into Devices Settings. Scroll down again to access General Management and tap on Gboard Settings. Finally, you can hit Theme, scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Then tap on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Lastly, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it and tap on this bin icon next to keyboarders. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on one of your custom ones, tap on this pen next to the bin one, and edit it however you wish to. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!